Alright, we back again with another pack again. 12 cards. That's a lot of cards. We're still looking for some bonus holograms, because I didn't even know that was a thing. I guess I should do some research in that to see how many of those there are. Because I don't really feel like buying another box. Alright. Hey, it's from the first one. Love it. Okay. Has been confirmed that we're getting cards from both movies. Yes, sir. I don't guess I have to show the backs of the cards. But I'm gonna. Because, yeah. Love it, love it. Lazy eye. These are upside down all kinds of ways. What is this? I actually like that. Hold up. Oh, never mind. I thought that was like a drawing. Well, it is. They're all drawings, technically. Heroes are born. Fievel fantasy. And then Fievel and Wily Burp. Nothing crazy today again, but we got some more cards.